All right, I'm going to be showing you Clickly. This is an AI thumbnail maker that will allow you to boost your views because you have such amazing YouTube thumbnails. Now, if you don't know about YouTube, there are two main things that are going to get the click, and that is the title and the thumbnail. And so this tool takes care of the thumbnail, which normally you have to pay for somebody to create your thumbnails for you, or you have to be really good at Photoshop or even learning Canva and not having the right templates. So there is a huge learning curve to creating click-worthy YouTube thumbnails, and that's what this software that is coming out this week will do. So at the time of releasing this video, it's actually not available, but I will leave a link below that you can go and sign up to their launch webinar, where they're going to be offering a bundle lifetime package, and it's going to be the best offer that you can get during the entire launch, so you're not going to want to miss that. So I'm going to be creating content about Clickly because I believe it's like the best software that's going to be coming out in the entire month of February of 2026. So I'm going to be creating these bite-sized chunked videos for you, and stay tuned. After a few videos, I will do my official full review and so forth. Okay, so we're going to jump into Clickly right now, but what I do want to show you real quick is that I do have exclusive bonuses that were provided by Tim Verdeau to me to offer to you guys. So these are the bonuses that you'll get. YouTube Thumbnail Pro. This will allow you to download any YouTube thumbnail, so you can take that and you can go and plug it in to Clickly and actually say, hey, create a thumbnail with my face that looks exactly like this, right? So you have this YouTube Thumbnail Pro right there. Then you have this YouTube Reply Assistant. So it's a little chat bot that you can go and place in. It will actually save you time as a creator. It boosts engagement by generating natural on-brand YouTube comment replies, which is super cool. Bonus 3, strategic YouTube campaign creator. So build effective YouTube ad campaigns and grow your business. YouTube 5-second formula. So create strong YouTube openings that grab attention in the first 5 seconds. And then you have the 6-day YouTube accelerator right here. So launch and grow successful YouTube ad campaigns with a simple proven system. Bonus 6, how to set up a YouTube campaigns right there. And then YouTube bonus 7, how to scale with YouTube ads right there. So scale your business with YouTube ads and see fast results. So you get all those bonuses if you sign up below. Go check out the webinar and so forth. And then you'll be able to either pick up the bundle or just buy the front end or the pro version of Clickly. So I wanted to just do a quick demo and show you what you'll actually get inside of Clickly. So there is a template library that I'm going to show you, and look at every single one of these templates. They have this amazing, like they're adding new ones. They're the most popular ones right over here. They're putting in new ones every day, and you can actually see, or you can go in here and go into, say you have a business and finance YouTube channel. You can select by there, and then you can look at all the top creators, and most of these do have how many views the thumbnail actually generated right here. And so you'll be able to go in here, and these are all Canva templates. This is worth the price of picking up Clickly. This is like a sleeper. Most people, and if you go and watch other videos, they're not going to be talking about this particular part. Now, yes, this does automatically creates thumbnails for you, which is really, really awesome. But don't miss out or sleep on the fact that every single one of these amazing top templates, they don't take any of your credits to create an AI image, right? You can go in here and just grab one. Let's just say we want to go with this Think Media one, right? So you can actually favorite that one as well, right? And then you can go and look at your saved thumbnails. But right here, I'm going to go and just go boom. And then I'm going to say edit in Canva. All you have to do is just come over here, and you're going to view the template, and we're going to come in here and we're going to open the editor and then watch what happens. You now have access. I don't know how they did this, because they grabbed thumbnails and they were able to do something as far as recreating the asset and the entire thumbnail in layers in Canva. So this, you could literally go out, use this, and start selling thumbnails as a service now, because you have access to all of the great thumbnails, right? And it's like a dream come true inside of Canva. Now watch. So let's just say you have AI, and just to show you how super simple this is, right now they have different thumbnails for this package, right? So all these different ones right here to get you going. Then you have all these emojis that you could use. You have all these useful resources right there that you could use as well. So let's just say you are going to talk about TikTok. So we go and we copy TikTok and we come over here and we just push paste right here, right? And then what we can do is we can actually go like this and we can copy this, and then I can go and paste it right there and make TikTok look with all the proper shading. I can make that bigger. We can twist this over like that, and then I can go ahead and delete that one and just put TikTok right here, right? TikTok, YouTube, you could do the same thing, right? So let's just leave that one right there. And now we have this guy right here. These are all layers, right? So I can move this guy around, but let me show you how we could go and do this right now. I'm going to go in here and grab a profile picture right here. And let's just say I want to grab this one right here. So I'm going to hover this one over. I'm going to select the guy and I'm going to copy this style and apply it to my profile picture right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Now, it would be a little bit better if I had my hands going like this. We could use AI to do that. We could use Nano Banana, or we could just take a picture like that, right? But just to show you, now all we have to do is just come like this and go like this right here, move myself down a little bit like that and go like that. So make myself big right there. And then you have your new thumbnail right there. You could even go and you could go with the edit right here and apply some shadows. Go to that and go with intensity and maybe the size a little bit more. Maybe make the blur not so much. You know, you can mess around with that. You could even change the color and make it more bright, or you could go and do a yellow kind of background, or maybe a green. You can do all kinds of stuff right here. Make the blur, make it more blur right there. And then, you know, I'm just showing you kind of what is possible, how easy it would be to go and switch this out. Now, you can come over here as well. And like right here, for example, I could go and grab this, and I could go and grab someone like pointing. So I could grab my guy right here. I could click on this, grab the style, and then go over here like this, right? And then I can move this over, and then I could go like this, and then I could go with the flip and flip it horizontal, and then make myself bigger like that. And now you have a new thumbnail. You could even go in here and change the background, you know, maybe change the color to something else right here. And then you have a new color right there. So very, very easy to play with. Very, very simple. And I think that this is the sleeper thing that people are just not talking about, is the very powerful Canva templates right there. So that's actually my favorite part of Clickly. Now, not to take away from the AI face cloning, you can see like I uploaded an image right here and I pushed shocked, and then I just went boom, and then it made my image. I did not have a shocked look. It just, all it did was just take one of my images right over here where I'm smiling or whatever, for example. And then it basically changed it to a shocked look right there. And then you can also edit with AI. You can go like this for 1 credit and generate. So a lot of really cool features and tools that they have inside of here. And then of course the magic thumbnail creator. You just come in here, you just drop a link to your YouTube video. Let's just go and grab a YouTube video real quick. So I just went and grabbed, you can also paste your transcript in, but let's just say we have that, analyze and edit videos. And now it's going to open this up, and now you're going to have all of these. You can actually upload a reference. You can choose size, and you can go right here, and I have a suit or a casual. You can say how many images you want to be created, and then you can come in here and just say, boom, you can actually grab any one of these types that you want to go with right here. Let's just say we want to go with this one right here, and then you're going to go and just click that. And now it's going to go and actually create that image for us. And this is using just nothing but AI and the models, the advanced models that they're using, in order to just push a button, give them the URL of a YouTube video, and then let them know what model that you want them to use. And then it goes and it's going to generate the text right here. It's going to generate this image, finalizing thumbnail design right here. And you can see what it just created. Look at this, a perfect AI thumbnail image of me. Looks like me. There's the microphone right there. Word Rocket AI bulk create posts. Really awesome thumbnail right there that is very similar to this run right over here for like podcaster with a little microphone and so forth. So really cool. You can come in here with edit with AI, and I could say, hey, change my shirt to yellow or something like that, and that would work. It's just 1 more credit. Anytime you need to get more credits, you just come over here to the buy, and you can buy different credit packs and so forth. But that's why you want to sign up for the webinar, where you can get the best deal that you're going to get, period, on this. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to actually be going over the entire funnel, all the upgrades, all the pricing and so forth. So I will leave a link for that video below. So this is Clickly. Go sign up. A link will be below. And stay tuned for, I'll be creating at least another 3 or 4 more videos going over just Clickly. So thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.